Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas, and this time for Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room? We are right outside Park MGM for this 2026 walk where we take you around the hotel and show you where the best places and the closest places you could get coffee next to your room. Because you know what? We're up late in Vegas going to shows and dinners, and you don't get a lot of sleep. So we're going to see where you can get that coffee closest to your hotel room, and along the way, show you some new restaurants and show you the hotel tour and everything that's new for 2026 and beyond. All right, let's get inside Park MGM and check it all out. All right, everybody, let's get this episode of Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room for Park MGM for 2026 and beyond. So if this is your first time watching one of our Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room videos, we go all the way to the right. We start to the right, and then that way it gives you a good layout of the land without confusing you. And eventually we'll get to all the spaces that we need to see and you can find for 2026. So let's head to the right. There's your VIP right over here. Park MGM, if you didn't know, is a smoke-free property. There is a sundry shop. I would highly suggest going over to either Walgreens or CVS to get your drinks. But these are your guest elevators. They have different floors in different hallways here, so keep that in mind. We did a staycation here at Park MGM. Nomad is through that way. But we did a staycation here. If you want to check out the video, see what just a normal room looks like here at Park MGM. Conference center straight ahead. And here is your first and closest place to get coffee. This is a Starbucks. Hours vary a lot depending on business levels and everything. So I would highly suggest that you ask them when you first come in or check the website. Even the website sometimes is not the greatest indicator of what their hours are. But that is your closest place to get coffee. Here is the chef truck. This has been here for quite a while. They have the hours there, 4 p.m. to 11 p.m., 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. So it looks like they're a late afternoon now. They used to be open all day, but looks like not anymore. It's okay food. I've had it once. Put it in that video too at Park MGM. And there's some places to sit over here as well. Want to get your picture? You know what time of the year it is. It's Mariah Carey time. If this is your first time stumbling upon our channel, first of all, welcome. We are J&K Stay in Vegas, as I said in the intro. We're Las Vegas locals. We've lived here for 13 years, so I think we've got a pretty good handle on what's going on here. So continuing to the right, you might have heard of a couple of these places, the Reserve Bar and the Library. They are down here towards the Nomad. We'll show you that real quick. Really cool spot to get some pictures, not literally, but to stand in front of them and get some pictures. We are during the Christmas season, so we have all the happy holidays. So the salon and parlor, the Reserve Bar is over there, and your restrooms are through there. There's the library through this way. Always forget which way, so it's good that I'm coming over here too. All right, we're going to continue on the right, and just like a lot of properties, there's a center bar right ahead. Watch your sports. In fact, watch our Golden Knights. They're really good. The actual day of week filming is Saturday, so you can get an idea of kind of the business levels here. There's some directional signage there. Bavette's, we'll get a look at that in a minute. Eataly, and we'll get a look at that too. So let's keep going. And also, this is an MGM property. Some more directional signage to Juniper. Again, we'll get over there in a minute. Dolby Live right over here. Bruno Mars has a semi-residency here. Lady Gaga has played here many times, and Maroon 5, among many others. If you want to get a look at some of Lady Gaga's outfits, they're all on display here. She has her Mayhem Ball tour right now. Take a look if you're a fan. Get her makeup and all that. Let's keep going. Down here, this will exit you down towards the Strip and T-Mobile Arena, and there's a couple bathrooms down there as well. La La Noodle right here. Didn't even get to go here. All right, here is Eataly. A lot of the restaurants here are open kind of midweek to weekend. They won't be open all the time. Just keep that in mind. Point out a couple of the things that are new here. We're going over here to the right. This is new over here. I'm not going to be to pronounce it. But now they have the Eataly bar, pizza and spritz, right there. Come down here. Again, keep it to the right. Obviously, we can't go any more to the right here. This will also take you out to the T-Mobile Arena side. A lot of exits here at Park MGM. Another bar down here as well, but this is more your wine and spritzer bars I was just showing you. And it's that time of year. If you're watching in summer, happen to be watching way in the future, it's Christmas time when I'm filming this. And one of the very few clocks that are in a casino, right there here in Eataly. You will not find clocks in casinos, if you didn't know that. All right, let's continue on. Lavazza is over here. There's another place you can get coffee. So if you didn't get coffee out of your room and you pass a Starbucks and you're gonna head out on the strip, you can stop here at Lavazza. If you want the Italian coffee, you can go over here. All right, let's continue on. Italian street food over here. Cafe Milano. Fitting in with the whole Eataly thing. And Toscana, might have heard of that. Just like to mention, on the outside, on the strip side, is Chicken Shack. So if you like something a little bit more casual, you can go there. All right, back into the casino. Highly rated place here, Best Friend, Korean barbecue, and a whole bunch of other things. You should definitely check it out. There's a little bit of the menu. They're open a lot of times at night. In fact, you can probably just pull up the menu online and check it out. Roy Choi. Mama Rabbit right here. They were working on this the last time we were here, 4 years ago. And that's what I was saying. We have Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room, our original series we filmed 3 to 4 years ago. As I'm sure you're very much aware, Vegas changes so much, so we thought, you know, we should give you an updated tour of the hotels that we've done. Our previous series, we did over almost 50, I should say, almost 50 hotels. So we'll have to get going on this again. This is Off the Record, by the way. Cool place to listen to 90s hip hop and some other cool music. Just if you're Gen X or a little bit younger, you'll probably find this is really fun. All right, it's the casino portion. So the sports bar is back here. One thing to show you about that wasn't here before, Side Betty Grill. I featured that on our Park MGM staycation. Is right down here. So if you want to see what that food is like, the pricing, go ahead and check that out on our Park MGM video. This is Juniper over here. Obviously, as you can see, it's not open right now. Just your cocktail lounge, pretty cool. Nice decor, all that. If you want to pop in for a late night drink, might be a place to check out. Another highly rated place. Vegas has a lot of steakhouses, but this one is highly rated. Bavette's here. If you want, check this place out as well. Been here for years, and a lot of people love it. So come and check it out. All right. Keep going here to the right, and then a right again. This is where we just were a few minutes ago. But again, I do these tours to keep you oriented so that when you come here, you're not overwhelmed with all the different directions. You can follow this to a T. It will get you from point A to point B of where you want to go, get that coffee, or get that late night cocktail. Your high limit slots are over here. So as you come down to here, got to tell you about where the pool is and where the tram is that'll take you all the way to Bellagio. And then one last thing I will have to show you is where to get your ride share. I know a lot of people that come here like to take Uber and Lyft, so I'm going to show you where that is located in just a minute. Again, we're back here at that Starbucks. I'll put the hours on the screen for you, but again, I would make sure check with the website at least, or drop by there and see if how late they're open till. Weekends, they might be open really late, and some other times these Starbucks are only open till like 2 or 3 in the afternoon, so keep that in mind. Night Place here, Optica, and your sports shop. You get all your Golden Knights gear right here. Vegas born. So it's winter time. The pool is closed, but we've shown you what that looks like on our staycation of Park MGM. I'll show you real quick down here. You follow this hallway all the way down, you will get to the tram, which will take you all the way to Bellagio. I've already done a walk with Jeff, which is our other series, and if you want to see exactly how this winds around and everything, make sure and check out that video on our channel. I have a whole walk with Jeff playlist that you can binge watch if you want. Again, all these Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room series will be updated for 2026 and beyond, so you're definitely going to want to make sure and subscribe to our channel so you get all the latest up-to-date information. We've got news on our channel every month, so much stuff that'll make your Vegas trip easier. Cornerstone, a little small clothing store right there. And now, let's head to the right, as promised. So if you didn't notice when we first came in, the front desk is right over here. You also can do mobile check-in. So if you don't want to wait in any line, they have kiosks right over here that you can use. Primrose Lobby Bar. They have some funky hours sometimes, so definitely check with the website. You have brunch rolls, $45 prefix menus, Saturdays and Sundays. There you go. There's the latest and greatest updated. Really nice spot here. Look at this pretty Christmas tree. Your bell desk is right over here, and that's the entrance we just came in from right over there. So your self-parking, your parking garages are straight ahead. There are elevators over here in case you got a lot of luggage, and escalators, of course. Now, going through this way, let's wave to open the doors. Right here is your ride share for Uber and Lyft. Kind of sandwiched in between here of Aria and of course Park MGM, all in this little area. So just to show you, there's where the sign is, taxi and rideshare. So that is Park MGM for 2026 and beyond. Let's go back outside and wrap up this video. Well, everybody, that's going to do it for this edition of Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room for 2026 and beyond. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas, your Las Vegas locals. Take it one step further, turn on those bell notifications so you can be alerted to every time we post a new video just like this, or when we go live like we do on Saturday nights. All right, everybody, until the next one, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.